Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday Words podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our listeners. I am incredibly excited for today's episode because we have a huge, exciting topic.
We really do, Mark. Today is our complete English course for beginners. We are going to show everyone how to go from zero to speaking in just one video.
Wow, from zero to speaking in one video? Is that actually possible? Many beginners feel like they need to study for years before they can open their mouths.
It is absolutely possible, Mark. You do not need years of studying. You just need the right steps. And I actually have a very special trick for today. It is a tiny 2-minute secret that will train your brain to stop translating and start thinking in English automatically. But I will not share this special tip until the very end of our episode, so please stay with us to hear it.
A 2-minute secret to completely change how my brain thinks? I definitely need that trick. I will wait for the end. So, Sarah, where do we start? If I am a complete beginner, do I need to go buy a big dictionary?
Oh, please don't do that. Reading a dictionary sounds very boring. The very first step is to focus on the words you use every single day in your real life. Your real life is the best textbook. Start by looking around your house and naming the objects you see.
So like when I wake up, I can look at my bed and my soft pillow.
Exactly. You get out of bed, you put on your slippers, and you go to the bathroom. You pick up your toothbrush and look in the mirror. Every time you touch one of these objects, say the English word.
Yes, please do. It helps us so much to share these lessons with more friends around the world. And we have a small task for you today. If you are still listening right now, comment the word START in the comments below.
Just one word. Start! It shows us you are focusing on our talk and ready to start speaking. We love reading your comments.
We really do. Okay, Mark, so we have our everyday words, and we are making simple sentences by narrating our daily routines. But what happens when you are talking to a real person and you suddenly forget a word?
Oh, my brain immediately goes back to my first language to find the translation. It makes me freeze.
That is very common, but here is the trick. Don't look for the translation, look for the description.
The description? How does that work?
If you are talking to someone and you don't know the word for refrigerator, don't try to translate it. Just use the simple English words you already know to describe it. You can say, the cold box in the kitchen for food.
Wow, the cold box in the kitchen. People will understand exactly what I mean. I don't have to be a walking dictionary. I just have to be creative.
Exactly. Native speakers do this all the time when we forget a word. Be a conversation explorer. The goal is not perfection. The goal is Remember, taking small steps and making mistakes is just part of the journey. Mistakes are just funny stories for later.
That is a wonderful lesson. Well, Sarah, time flies when we are having fun. I think it is time to say goodbye for today.
It really does go fast. Thank you everyone for listening and taking this beginner course with us today.
Yes, thank you! Before you go, we want to hear from you. Please leave a comment for us. Tell us, what is the very first English sentence you are going to think about during your